It was downpouring like 15 minutes and 3 seconds ago, and this is how is the condition now. The weather is start to get clear again. Anyway, I want to say good afternoon. How are y'all doing, everybody? And I hope you have a fantastic day. It's Bobo here again, and I'm a local dude, and I am a daily vlogger. Here I am now. This is Legian beach. So as you can see here in this video, there is a new walkway in here, which is super good, but it's still mess around because of the projects of this kind of unfinished project. And then to my left over there is the beach, and I can see there are so many beach bar around, and it seems there are a lot of tourists as well. We'll walk on the beach, we'll show you the situation. I just want to show you this new walkway, and then to the left over there is a beach club which is called Azul. Then I'm gonna start to walk on the beach from here. Well, I can see there are many umbrellas, some tourists, many beans bag, beautiful water, and the water is pretty much calmer today, and there's still heavy cloud over there. Hopefully no more rain. And yeah, if you guys are new here, halo, selamat sore, apa kabar? Makarus Pak. Wah, ini mantap sekali nih. Apa nih namanya nih? Check this out, guys. You can buy one of these. I like the elephants, and this is like crab made of bronzes, I believe. Terbikin dari apa nih? So this crab is made of metal, kind of bronzes, like the color, and it's so shiny. And check this out there. All the beans bag is kind of full. I can see there are lots of people chill and relax while enjoying their afternoon bintang or beer. And I want to say thanks to every one of you who's been subscribing my channel, supporting my channel so far, as I am nothing without you. And if you guys are new here, or if you haven't subscribed it yet, please hit the subscribe button. One hit, it really means a lot to continue my channel. And don't forget to smash the bell button so you'll be notified when I upload a video. And check out over there, look like they're gonna put up something over there in between those coconut trees. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How's your afternoon is going?
Very well, thank you.
Wow, it's good to hear that. And yeah, wow, check this out there. This is like it's like a small house, look like a camping house, I believe, but they're not here for camping. Apa kabar? Ini tempat apa nih, Pak?
Bar.
Wow, this is a bar house.
Froggy Bar.
This is called Froggy bar house.
This is Froggy Bar.
Check it out.
Welcome to Froggy Bar now again.
Welcome to Froggy's house, beach bar. And I like this house. It's so nice. It reminds me to my childhood, you know, when we go to the mountain camping. We're gonna have a camp or a tent, pretty much like that. And there are so many I don't know, there's so many like small houses over there which was made of wood, and they gonna use that as a food stall or a warung. In Indonesia we call it something like this, where they can sell stuff. So that all houses, small wood over there, it's gonna be like this. What I meant to say is they're gonna sell something like this, but in that small houses. I don't know if you can understand what I'm saying. And check this out, one more tent. What are you eating? Apa itu? Sate, enak ya? They're eating satay. And anyway, let's continue the walk, exploring this. And hello, good afternoon. How are you? And oh my gosh, I can see there are more and more people over here. How you doing, buddy? How's Bintang today?
Beautiful, thank you.
Beautiful? It's not Bintang. What are you drinking?
Bintang.
Is that Bintang?
What's a YouTube channel?
Alright. Chidia? Railway.
Railway.
Thank you so much.
What's his YouTube channel?
Enjoy your afternoon.
Will do, mate.
So, is this family holiday or what?
Family holiday.
Family holiday. So, how's the holiday so far?
Bali's the best.
Bali is the best. How long have you been there?
2 weeks.
2 weeks? Wow. Enjoy your holiday. So, which part of Aussie are you from?
Melbourne.
Melbourne. I want to say welcome to Bali. Bali is beautiful.
Bali's the best.
All right.
What's a YouTube channel?
Bali Walk and Shop. One word.
Bali Walk a Shop.
Bali Walk and Shop. It's one word. All right. Goodbye.
Bye.
And yeah.
Are you from Germany? From Germany.
Wow, check this out there. Look like something very special. It's gonna be happening in here. I can see their candlelight. I can see their beautiful flower. I can see the white table and chair. Wow. Someone special gonna be sitting in here, I believe. Oh, like this lamp. I don't know what to call it. And check out this candle. I can see there's 4 glasses over there. It's on the table, and 2 napkins, trays, fork, knives. Well, anyway, oh my god, they have light over there. It's gonna be something special for tonight. Anyway, let's continue the walk.
Is that for us?
Hello everybody. Good afternoon, everybody. How are you this afternoon? Very good. Yeah, enjoy your holiday. Smile. Don't forget to keep smiling. Hello. How are you?
Excellent service. Thank you very much.
How's your afternoon is going? Enjoy the sunset. Are you going to watch the sunset today? Goodbye. Well, yeah. I think I'm gonna walk on the street. We'll show you the street situation before I wrap up this video. So I need to find a way out or exit way. I think I'm gonna walk this way over here. And this is the way out. I found it. I find the way out of the beach. It's gonna be here. This is something like a small gate. It's still beautiful. Take a look at the decoration they have on the gate. It's kind of so much detail. Very beautiful artwork as per usual. And across the street there's beach bar. I can see there some people are sitting over there enjoying their afternoon, and I can see a paddle over there from the rain which was few minutes ago. Let's check it out. Who knows, we're gonna find a fish. I'm gonna catch them. I'm not gonna fry them, but I'm gonna put them on someone else's fish pond. Hopefully I'll see fish here. Hello, good afternoon. So far I don't see any. I don't see any fish here. So this is what happened here in Bali. When it's raining, you're gonna find big paddle or small body water. And here I am finally. This is Kuta Street straight over there. And then to the left of here is Malasa Street. We're gonna see the traffic situation here. Actually, I do have video along there, Malasa Street, a few times, where you can check them out on my YouTube channel. And this is the Kuta Street. You can find here food stall, traditional food, selling meatball. Then right here you can buy some coffee, tea, soft drink, etc. Well everyone, this is it, my video for today. And honestly, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you'll enjoy this, and as per usual, if you like this video, please give me the thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends or family. They might want to know about the situation here around Kuta or Legian. Goodbye, take care, and don't forget to keep smiling.